Today we're going to remove the radio from this 2014 Cadillac ATS. Alright, first thing we're going to do is going to go ahead and start up the car. Throw it into drive. Turn the car off. Now you're able to release the brake. Put the emergency brake on just in case. Close your door so you don't have that stupid annoying beeping. Now what we're going to do is remove this cup holder here. We're just going to apply pressure and pull up. There it is. And just work your way around it. Or you could use a trim tool removal and try to pry it out. Just like so. Just work it all the way out. You could also just like kind of grip it and press it up against. And this will come off. There's the clips right there. Now next thing we're going to do is open up the console here. We're going to remove these panels here. Go ahead and slowly pull these up. Both of these. Okay. And it's going to want to come off from the plastic as well. So we're going to have to push these up and out like so. That way we leave that right there. And then we're able to remove each and every one. Just like so. Like this. Set that to the side. Same thing with this one here. Sweet. If the clip comes off, make sure you put it back onto place. Alright, next thing we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and pop this up as well. Just like so. Just like that. And there is a pigtail connected to it right there, right at the end. Let's go ahead and disconnect that. And that just goes in there. You can just twist this and out it comes. There it is. Sweet. Then we'll just set this to the side. Now we have 7mm screws here, 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 and here that we have to remove. And after we remove that, there's another one somewhere down here. So let's go ahead and remove those four for now. Alright, there it is. And just put these in a nice safe location. Put them in the little cup holder. Alright, then this here should be able to come off. Let's go ahead and lift this up. And out it comes. Slide this backwards. Alright. Then our radio. Let's see. Yeah, it's latched onto these still, so we gotta remove these. Then the radio should be able to come out. Okay, once we remove those screws, the unit should come loose now. Go ahead and close this. Forgot this is powered. So let's go ahead and pull this out. Just be careful because the power is still on. Reason for it is because we have it in drive still. It's telling us to throw it into park in order for this to work. But let's go ahead and just pull this backwards and undo the pigtails that are located behind here. Alright, I came over to the passenger side. Now we have access to all of our pigtails. So let's go ahead and disconnect all of the pigtails. This one you will need to pry from underneath there. And then there's another one down there. For these, you just press in and pull out, just like so. Alright, there it is. Everything is disconnected. As you can see, this has a little hook there and a little hook there. It's for this one here. There's the hook there, the latch, and the latch there on both sides. So after you do that, the whole unit is ready to come off. And there it is. Sweet. The only reason we're removing this radio is because we're going to replace the digitizer. The digitizer is scratched. Now we're able to throw this. Actually, I'm going to just leave it in drive. There's no point to do that because I'm going to just fix it and throw it back in. But this video is just how to remove it. Sweet. And there it is. Sweet. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.